Hello, hello. How are you? Oh my God, let me organize this. Okay, now it's adjusted here. How are you? My name is Bruno. If you don't know me, I'm an English teacher here. I've been doing this for like 6 years of my life. I'm currently here in Australia, so I've been teaching here for 2 years. Okay, this video is awesome because we're going to be talking about object pronouns. Okay. This is one of the topics that you learn probably in your second week or third week whenever you start learning English in from like the school, you know. But the point is, it's easy to use. It's useful. Okay, it's extremely helpful. We're going to see that when we apply these to sentences, they make sense. Okay, but if for you this video is difficult, you don't understand a lot my English, don't worry. If you speak Portuguese, I will be recording one more video like this, but fully in Portuguese, okay? If you don't speak Portuguese, I'm sorry. I speak only two languages, sorry. Okay, let's do it. Let's figure it out. Object pronouns, okay? I used the same template that I used in the previous class, which was verb to be, if I'm not mistaken. I just recorded it, but I forgot. Very good. So, object pronouns. First things first, we have to relate, we have to match them to our subject pronouns. Okay? Very good, very good, very good. So here, you, he, she, it, we, you again. I'll just put one you. I don't like using two yous. I just use two you when yes, Rose. When I need to explain reflexive pronouns because it's different. Oh, I changed the wrong one. It's this one. Here, delete rows. And they. Okay, so I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Okay, basically on your left. Okay, my left. I don't know if it's on your left, but my left, as I'm seeing right now my screen. On the left, you will see the subject pronoun. It's not the object, not yet. We're going to match them. Okay, so whenever I have the subject I have the object me, like just to understand one, it's the same but the position is different. You, him, her, it. Here a lot of people say our, but it's not, it's us. Remember the last of us, the TV series. They, them. Okay, a lot of people say there. Okay, it's different. It's them. Them. Okay, perfect. On my left, I have subject pronouns. On my right, I have object pronouns. You have to memorize whenever I talk about she, I would say her. Okay, but let's put it in, let's put some context here. I have examples. Imagine that Bruno loves. I will say my wife. Okay, so Bruno loves. I'll just put Bruno. I love my wife. It's better because I wanted to show you simple present, but it's gonna be confusing. Don't worry. I love my wife. Okay, my case, my wife is she. It's a woman, my wife. Okay, very good. Yes, my wife. In this case, when I say I love my wife, it's correct. But I can say I love she? No, because she is the object. is in the same on the same column here, okay? I cannot say I, she. No. I love her. So I love her. I love her. It's very easy to understand. Imagine we have subject. Okay. My subject is my I. I will put it in, I believe it's yellow. Subject. Okay. My subject sends an action to my object. My subject sends an action. My action, purple, purple, to my object, green, green. So, what I want to show you is that you have to understand. Let me put like this. Okay. Oh, now it's so beautiful. I have the order whenever you start learning English, the order will be subject, verb, object. Like here, subject, verb, object. Okay, that's the order. But let's change. Let's change the order. Let's say that my wife loves me. Okay, so I can say, oh, no, 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 don't do it with me. My, holy moly, my wife loves me. But when the person doesn't understand, they say, my wife loves I, because they change the order. They say like her loves I. We have a problem. It's not correct. It's incorrect because the order is subject. Here it's subject. No, remember it's object. Subject is she. She. Let's put yellow. I love colors as you can see. Subject sends an action. My action is love. But teacher, I don't understand why I say I love, but she loves. Man, if you don't understand, go to my channel. We have a video with the name named like simple present. This video talks about everything SCIES and those kind of things. Okay, don't worry. And my object, when I have when I see I is not my object. I is my subject. My object is me. She loves me. Let's put green. Okay. So whenever you understand this part here, let me just put in the middle. Ah, now it's beautiful. Just one. Okay, now it's beautiful. Whenever you understand this logic, wow. Whenever you understand this logic, you will see that it's very easy. Okay, it's why I want to do like that. Okay, whatever. They're not allowing me this. Okay, it's okay. You just have to understand this sentence here. Subject sends an action to my object. And whenever you match the colors, yellow to subject, purple, I believe it's purple, to action, and object, green, man, it's gonna be very easy because my object cannot send actions. No, they receive actions. Objects receive, subjects send. Okay? And that is the thing. So basically, in 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 57 seconds, basically everything about object pronouns that you need to really understand, okay? But just make sure you really understand the logic here and how to differ between these two columns here, okay? Thank you so much. I hope you had a good class with me. If you have any questions or I don't know, whatever you want to ask me, please leave in the comment section here. Thank you so much and see you around. Take care.